Hello everyone, I am here to discuss about components of branding. So what is brand? A brand is identifying a symbol, logo, mark or an sentence that company use to distinguish their product from others. It is a unique features that differentiate product from different products or services. Let's move forward. Components of brands. There are total 8 components. They are as follows: brand definition, brand value, brand promise, brand identity, brand differentiation, market position, brand image, and brand experience. So what is brand definition? Brand definition is a description which or information that describe about the business or services. Brand description should be simple and attractive, which attract customers more and more. Confusing or very complicating description may disattract the customers. Brand value. Brand value is an ideal representation of a brand or a product or services. It is mostly related to prices, quality, quantity, and viable from or sustainability from other products. Here, what you want to believe or what you want customer to believe about the product is more important. Brand promises. As we know, promises means commitment. So, committing about the business offerings or what should be provided or providing what is expected to the customers. Here, the brand values should meet the brand experiences. Brand identity. Brand identity is something we look or feel about the brand. It is a visual representation of the brand such as logo, mark, symbol, graphic, or title, etc. Here, as simple as attractive as a brand logo or brand identity is, it attracts more customers. Brand differentiation is something how we represent our brand in the marketplace or how we sell or unique selling proposition of a brand. Here, the how we sell our product in the market is considered. For example, how our features or benefit or personality about a brand is differentiated from others in the marketplace. Market position. Market position means position of a brand in the marketplace or performance of the brand in the market. If the performance of brand is good or satisfied, the position is high. Here it is based on quality and the price of the brand. If there is a low quality and low prices, means the position of the brand is low. Brand message. It is the message what brand derive or what brand make aware to the consumers and passes the message about the product. For example, voices of the businesses, tagline, key message, marketing copy. For instance, LIC, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी. Brand experience. Brand experience is about customer interaction. Here company interact with the customers to and evaluate the performance of the brand, whether the brand dissatisfy the customer or have a good or positive feedback. So here I like to conclude that carefully developing your brand is key to the. So here I like to conclude that carefully developing your brand is key to your success. It takes efforts to build and maintain all the components of your brand, but it's a process and investment that helps your business grow and stay strong. So it's well worth it.